All right, so I'm working on a Whirlpool Duet. Issue I'm having is the belt came off, came off the pulley. Let's see if you can see that pulley right there, tension pulley. Came off. I put it back on there, but what I noticed is that that pulley wasn't getting any movement on it. It was like it's not it's barely moving. It's supposed to be spinning, so I'm guessing the bearings is bad on that. So I'm going to replace that, and that's the task for today. So to get this bottom piece off, that bottom piece off, all I had to do was take the screws off this corner, that corner, and it just slides down. Okay.